the best ground beef tortilla wrap recipe. Alright, let's get started with our ground beef. Grab your skillet and cook that pound of beef until it's nicely browned. You'll know it's ready when you see no more pink spots and it's got that beautiful caramelized color. Once it's done, go ahead and drain off that excess grease. We want our wraps flavorful, not greasy. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to make this beef absolutely delicious with our seasoning blend. We're going to add a good pinch of salt and pepper, enough to make it tasty, but not overwhelming. Then, sprinkle in that chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder. Add those 2 tablespoons of water. This helps all those spices blend together perfectly and keeps everything nice and juicy. Now comes the fun part. Let's add some color and texture to our filling. Toss in those black beans, make sure they're drained and rinsed. That sweet corn, your chopped red bell pepper, and those fresh green onions. We're going to let everything hang out together for about 2003 minutes, just enough time for all those flavors to get friendly with each other. While our filling is doing its thing, let's get our other components ready. If you've got cold rice, warm it up quickly. Nobody likes cold rice in a hot wrap. And if you're using a block of cheese, now's the time to shred it. If you've got pre-shredded, even better. We're all about making life easier here. Here's where we start building our wraps. This is like eatable art, friends. Lay out your tortilla and start with a nice bed of that melty cheese. Then add your warm rice, a dollop of that cool sour cream, and top it off with our amazing beef mixture. Don't go overboard, we still need to be able to roll these up. Now for the wrapping technique, think of it like swaddling a baby, but with delicious food. Fold in those sides first, then start rolling from the bottom, keeping everything nice and tight. You want to make sure those ends are tucked in well. Nobody likes a wrap that spills its contents. Last step, let's get these wraps golden and crispy. Heat just a bit of oil in your skillet. You don't need much, just enough to get that beautiful color. Place your wraps seam side down first. This helps seal them shut and let them cook until they're golden brown and crispy. When you hear that gentle sizzle, you know you're doing it right. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.